Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
The dollar surged as the United States and China reached a deal to temporarily cut reciprocal tariffs and tamped down concerns that a trade war between the world's two biggest economies could lead to a global recession. A truce in the US-China trade war set off a relief rally in stocks and propelled the dollar higher. But investors fear further negotiations could prove a long slog as risks of a global economic slowdown persist. Wall Street's three major indexes rose sharply, with the S&P 500 marking its highest level since early March, as a US-China agreement to temporarily slash tariffs brought some hopes for the easing of a global trade war, which US President Donald Trump ignited in early April.
The dollar-yen pair skyrocketed in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. Gold prices plummeted in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. Crude oil prices saw moderate gains in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal.
The economic calendar for the upcoming days promises to be busy and full of crucial updates. From high to moderate importance, these data points will play a role in influencing trading sentiment and guiding market forecasts. Traders and investors should remain vigilant as these data points approach. Being prepared for possible market reactions will be vital to navigating the financial landscape effectively.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.
Your trusted choice in online trading.